So this is the last slide I have about discovery prompts, finding things you don't know about. And one of the things when you're learning new things is there's so much jargon in new industries that's really hard to understand what people are saying. Like if I want to do economics and I don't understand what quantitative easing is, well, I don't know what people are talking about, and I have to go find that word and all of these things. So when I want to learn about the broad aspects of an industry or move into something in a new area, learning that jargon right away, it's hard to Google because you can't Google the words you don't know what they are necessarily. Sometimes you can Google, hey, what's the jargon of this industry, but not all the time you're going to get the best results. So this is a great way to learn the unknowns of industries that you have nothing to know, you have nothing about, no base of knowledge. And so you can say, hey, what are the 10 common jargon terms used in photography? And these are all correct. These are all really, really useful if you're talking about photography, aperture, shutter speed, depth of field, bokeh, composition. So awesome way to step your foot in different directions. And yeah,